Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hannah, and today we're building on what we learned in our last tutorial, how to create a simple data entry form in Excel. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description and pop a card up here on the screen. Definitely check it out if you want the full step-by-step on setting up your form. Now, shout out to these two who both asked a great follow-up question. How do you add drop-down lists to your Excel data form? Let's dive in, and I'll show you how to do exactly that. So just as a heads up, when you add a drop-down list to your table, you won't see the drop-down inside the data entry form pop up. But, and this is key, every new row added using the form will automatically include that drop-down, so your table stays clean and consistent. To get started, you'll first need to create a list of options that you want in the drop-down. For example, let's say we want a list of departments like IT, HR, finance, and marketing. You can add the list somewhere on your current sheet, off to the side, or create a dedicated sheet called Lists to keep things organized. Optional tip: you can name the range if you want. Just highlight it, go to the Formulas tab, and choose Define Name. I'll name this one Department. Next, click into the column in your table where you want the drop-down. In this case, the Department column. Then, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, under Allow, select List, and in the source box, either type equals Department if you named it, or reference the cell range directly. Click OK, and your drop-down is ready. If you don't have a list set up in the sheet, no worries. You can just type the values directly in the source box, separated by commas. Like this: IT, HR, Finance, Marketing. Now go back to your form. Click anywhere in your table, click the Form button in your Quick Access toolbar, add a new entry, enter your values. You won't see a drop-down in the form itself, but once you hit Enter and that new row gets added to the table, the drop-down is already active in that column. So it still keeps your data consistent. Here's a quick bonus tip. If you want your drop-down list to update automatically when you add new items, consider turning your list into a table using Ctrl+T and then naming that table column. That way, as your list grows, the drop-down updates too. And that's it. Super simple, and a great way to keep your Excel data clean and professional. Thanks again to Nizoma Sunday and BCAR for the awesome question. And if you have a tip or question of your own, drop it in the comments, and you might be featured in the next video. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to Sheet Leveler, hit the bell so you don't miss the next Excel tip. Thanks for watching. And as always, happy excelling!